Hello and welcome to the first of a two-parter special closing ceremony of this series of Jonathan 1990 Country Walks. And I'm going to be celebrating it by covering some fireworks on Bonfire Night over Scarborough. So I'm going to walk to the location now and get as much footage as I can. See you there. So here I am in my location, and it's not the best of locations. I thought I'd be able to pick up a lot more, get a better view from here, but no, I'm not getting any fireworks from the top of here, but you can still hear them. Okay, I just missed my chance on a really good shot. A rocket just went off over there. Oh man, there was a really good firework just went off over there then. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I might edit the rest out. This is where it's starting to get interesting. Okay, so I am now stood at the top and I'm starting to get some luck with some fireworks. There's one over there, as you can see. Yeah, this is looking over Scarborough at fireworks. Okay, so, just got one over there. There are fireworks going off over that way, but they're behind a huge bush here, so I can't really get them. Okay, so I can see some fireworks going off through the bush there. Just if I can get them. It's very blurry now, but yeah, there's a full firework display going on down there. Okay, so there's some more fireworks going off over there. There you can see the lights over Scarborough. Okay, so I can see like a red light flashing over there. There might be somebody letting some off. See that over there? Tell me you can see that. There's like a red light in the sky over there. I don't know what that's all about. Very weird, but it doesn't look like a firework. Okay, so there's some fireworks going off at the far distance, which look to be going off over the sea over there. So yeah, see that. Yeah, they're really getting going now. It's pretty sad that I can't go to a bonfire this year, but yeah, it's kind of the reason why the Halloween special didn't happen, which I will tell you about in a minute, although I think I've already mentioned this on the channel. Yeah, fireworks going off over Scarborough. Okay, so I keep missing a load of good chances over here. This video will have to be heavily edited. A few going off over here. So yeah, just while I'm still videoing over Scarborough, This isn't the best of places I've chosen, and the view's not all that good. It's blocked out by a bunch of bushes, but I was actually going to go to a bonfire tonight, but the person... This is why I'm bringing the videos to the end. Well, one of the reasons why I have fallen out big time with the person you knew as the old lady. And as a result of it, she won't be covering any more walks ever on this channel with me. It's very sad because she's helped cover most of the episodes on this channel. Yeah, most of the episodes. So it's really sad that it's had to come to an end right here. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to go to a better location. Will still be going off tomorrow. It's sort of a 2-day one this year, with it falling on a Friday, Bonfire Night. So there's a full firework display going on over there, but the sad thing about it is it's blocked out by a big tree. So all you can hear is just the bangs. Another full display going off over there. Very hard to catch it on camera. Okay, so there's a full display going, which is extremely hard to get as there is a big bush in the way. So, if you didn't know, I'm like on this little bank in here. It was the best place I could find for tonight because I'm all on my own. As I say, the person who's been supporting most of the videos on this channel was originally supposed to take me to a bonfire to cover that tonight, but I've completely fallen out with them, and I've fallen out with them so much there won't be in any more videos anymore, sadly. Yeah, film a bit more, or at least try to video a bit more of this full display going on over there. So I'm going to leave here after about 8 o'clock. The prime hour is almost over when the most fireworks are being let off, between 7 and 8. You are legally allowed to let them off until 11 PM at night, but I don't fancy staying here for another 3 hours. So I just missed a beautiful firework go off over there. Things are beginning to settle down a little bit now. So I'll probably just pack up after 8 o'clock and do my outro back at home. Okay, so there's some people in the field there watching the fireworks just in front of me, and they've like got a better view than I have. They haven't got these bushes in the way. I didn't know that was like a footpath in front of there though. Must be a footpath. Didn't know it was a footpath in front of there. Still trying to get some fireworks through the bushes here. Still see a few going off. It is approximately 8 o'clock right now. And yeah, I'm going to be packing up in a few minutes, because there isn't much to do up here right now. And I'm just going to bore you to death in this video. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to start heading back home and packing up everything here. Everything seems to be settling down now, and this video's just going to get boring. It's a shame all the bushes and trees are in the way. But yeah, what can you expect? Hopefully I'll have better luck tomorrow night. Yeah, so I did have to leave that location because the people in the field in front of me were getting rather suspicious. They turned the torch off, then turned it back on again. So tomorrow is my final video of this series. Well, the final regular video. So yeah, hopefully I get better luck tomorrow. So see you then.